when you have the right tools and equipment, you're able to leave yards in pristine condition. We used ground protection mats to mat in between these two homes. Had very little access over here. But as you can see, on the golf course, it's still left in excellent condition. So if you're looking for a tree service that will actually take care of your yard and make it look like they were never here, just call us. At least give us a shot. We do give free estimates. We've got over 400 5-star reviews on Google. Our phone number is 417-501-0822. As you can see from the pictures, this the tree that was here went way over the top of the back deck here.